What are you doing? Hi, sweetie. What are you doing? Purple beating the camera strap. That's Miss Green. So we got Pink getting a little orange toy. Camel's checking out the wing. Right behind him is Mr. Blue, who's coming up by the little orange toy. Farther back. What are you doing? What? There's Barry right up here again. Trying to see who's in the back there. I think that's black, green, and red. Black, green, and red. And Mr. Camel's right in the middle. Closer up to the... There we go. Are you coming up to see me? Okay. Hi, sweetie. So I got little Miss Berry right next to me. Hi, Mr. Black. Checking things out. Hi, Missy Pink. Missy Pink. You're so sweet. So these are the 4.5-week-old Gabby-Yogi puppies. Hi, babies. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Tails and tails and tails. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. You get me? You will get me? Hi, Miss Purple. Miss Berry, Miss Pink, Mr. Blue, Miss Green. I think that's red, black, and camel. And red is at the end of the hall, checking out the toys. Sweeties. You're sweetie. You doing bite on me? What are you doing? Okay. You're cute. Oh.